Hi, and today I'm showing you how to remove the stupid link when you start up the Google Chrome or Mozilla. I'm showing you now Google Chrome users and Mozilla users. So let's get started. Let's see first for Mozilla. For Google Chrome, sorry. Go to options or settings, what is this? Customize and control Google Chrome and go to options. And you will see if you want to open the Google, just type here www.google.com, and I like to again write to be Google, and let's close it and again run, and the stupid link is gone. Stupid link not here, it's gone. See the new tab page, right? Just like that. So let's see for example for Mozilla users now. Go to tools and options, and then you will see here link, delete that, and www.google.com. Just simple press enter, and let's exit and again search the Mozilla Firefox or launch the Mozilla Firefox. Little bit to loading. There's it, and you will see the stupid link again. It's removed. Let's say again on Google Chrome, and you will see the link is not popping up. Right. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Bye.